I don't really care about rates. In the real estate market, it's about what you're paying in rent. So if you're paying high rent, you have to look at what your monthly payment's going to be. And that's how you really decide if it's high or low. Like, I paid 10 and a quarter and I made a big profit. As rates go up and down, something that continues to go up are rents. If you look at what you were paying 10 years ago, what you were paying 5 years ago, what you were paying 3 years ago. If you multiply whatever you were paying to how many years you're renting, you're going to see a big number. And that's all the money that you've been kind of letting go.
Yeah.
100% interest rate when you rent. And when you purchase, you build equity. As far as like when is the best time to buy, it's when it's the best time for you to buy. Like if you're ever thinking of actually owning a home, actually being part of the American dream of like building equity, you have to buy. Like if you're renting, you're building equity for your landlord, and you're building their American dream. So it's, you plant a tree 30 years ago, 15 years ago, today. Like you have to start. If you never start, there's never going to be a perfect time. I've had the markets where it was crazy, where you said the numbers of houses were so low. I remember talking to people like, hey, look, this condo just sold for $195, and this house is selling for $215. This is an incredible price. I'm just going to wait for the prices to go down even more. And there's always going to be like, no. If you're thinking of buying a house, talk to someone that owns a house. Don't talk to someone else that rents. So like, and I tell my clients that have kids, I was like, hey, would you take advice from someone that doesn't have any kids to give you advice on your own kids?
I like that.
I'm like, no. So get advice from the people that actually own property, that's had it for years. And I don't think they'll ever tell you not to buy.